Hello, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today, I'm here to familiarize you with the benefits of Cerakote Laser Optimized Colors. Whether you are imaging, ablating, or etching, LOC offers multiple hues, shades, and sometimes tints from just a single Cerakote color. Think of it as adjusting saturation up or down as you experiment with different settings. You can also layer multiple Cerakote Laser Optimized colors and etch or ablate to different depths, revealing multiple color options. This allows you to expand your customization options and push your workflow efficiency into new territory. Adding a fiber laser to your equipment lineup or adding Cerakote Laser Optimized colors to your current laser setup offers more possibilities for patterns, detail, and color to your customers. This technology allows you to break from the limitations of stenciling, achieving detail as fine as 1/10 of a millimeter to elevate the quality of your custom offerings and make a change that customers will notice. In the Shop tab, all Laser Optimized colors have the corresponding tag below the Add to Cart button. We will also link a list of Laser Optimized colors below. Keep an eye out for more color options in the future, and don't forget, you can order up to 5 free swatches at Cerakote.com. We plan to release more laser-focused videos and articles in the future that introduce square tests, recommended settings, pattern preparation, and design for laser. That information will be available among other topics to help you add Cerakote laser imaging to your production capabilities. We look forward to seeing where you and your customers' imagination take you, so don't forget to upload your projects to the gallery and use the laser imaging tag. Lastly, don't forget we are here to help. Please reach out to us with any questions or concerns at technicalsupport@Cerakote.com. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe to get notified about new Cerakote content.